Got a GE stove. The work order is the right front burner is getting extremely hot even when it's on low. So we got it pulled out, and we're going to take a couple screws off here at the top and pull this cover off. Okay, got the cover off. Just pull the knob right off. And there's 2 Phillips screws there. Just take those out. And here's our switch for the right front burner. And inside here, it is all black inside there. I don't know if you can see that or not. So we got our new switch right here. Here's our new one. Okay, so when you pull this off, just go wire for wire. Black on the end, red in the middle, and blue on the other end. See all that char down inside there? Switch is bad. Alright, so that was black, red in the middle, and blue on the end. Okay. And here's the 2 Phillips screws that I pulled out. Just push the switch up to there and then put the screws in. I can't do that with one hand, so I'm going to set you back over here. Okay. And then the knob just pushes on. Okay, and our cover. Slides down in those 2 grooves and just pushes up against there. Okay, I got 1 screw in here and the other one's right here. They're just sitting there so I can get these all started. That one goes right there. Last screw goes right there. Okay, it's all back together. Now we'll plug it in. Okay, we got the stove back. Now we'll put this on low. Yep, I can keep my hand on it. Before it was so hot I couldn't even touch it. Alright, that's replacing a switch for a GE electric range. See you on the next one.